Here, in Mendelian population, the F1 hybrids segregate in the ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, so this is a dihybrid ratio. Okay, the experimental results obtained are 250, 150, 120, and 80. Okay, so this one is the observed. Okay, this one is the observed frequency or data. Okay, so this we want to test with the expected frequency, this one. Okay, expected ratio. Okay, so this is theoretical ratio. Okay, this ratio is a theoretical ratio. Okay, so this ratio we want to test with the observed data. Okay, this data is experimental data. Okay, so we want test the theoretical ratio with this experimental data. Okay, whether this ratio this ratio and this frequency are same. Okay, so this we can test by using goodness of fit. Okay, so this we can test by using the goodness of fit of chi-square. Okay, so this is the statistic. Okay, so this one is a statistic. Okay, by using this statistic we will test whether this expected ratio or frequency is equal to the observed frequency. Okay, so here the fi is the observed frequency. Okay, and ea is the expected frequency. Okay, and here the n means the number of classes. Okay, the n is number of classes. Okay, so in this we are having four classes. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and similarly in the first example we are having four classes. Okay, one is mbbs, another is be, and third is agree, and fourth is odds. Okay, so this chi-square statistic follow chi-square distribution with n minus 1 degree of freedom. Okay, see, this is a statistic. So the frequency distribution of the statistic can be found by using this chi-square distribution. Okay, the chi-square distribution is a sampling distribution. Okay, chi-square distribution is a sampling distribution. Okay, we are saying sampling distribution because we are finding the frequency distribution. We are finding a frequency distribution of a statistic. Okay, so we are saying the chi-square distribution as a sampling distribution. Okay, so this chi-square statistic will follow the chi-square distribution with n minus 1 degree of freedom. Okay, here the n means the number of classes. Okay, so based on this formula we will find whether the expected frequency is equal to the observed frequency. Okay, so if for example if chi-square, see, this one is calculated value. Okay, so this formula is calculated value. Okay, so this one will be the table value. Okay, so if the chi-square calculated value, okay, the chi-square calculated value for example is greater than chi-square table value, then we will say significant. Okay, so if it is less than or equal to table value, then we will say non-significant. Okay, that is, here in non-significant case the expected frequency and the observed frequency are same. Okay, the expected frequency and the observed frequency are same. Okay, so in the significant case the expected frequency and the observed frequency are different. Okay, so based on this formula we will decide whether there is fit or not. Okay, so if the value is significant, then there is no fit. If the value is non-significant, then there is fit. Okay, that is expected frequency is equal to the observed frequency.